I pay salutation on the lotus feet of you, O the Supreme Consciousness, you so great. I pay salutation on the lotus feet of you, Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasama Jyotirgamaya, Mrittur Gamaya, Abhiravimayodhi, Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasama Jyotirgamaya, Mrittur Gamaya, Abhiravimayodhi. Yoga is for the transformation your body, mind and soul to the Supreme Consciousness. This is the yoga parallelism between body, mind and soul. The first mentally we prepare and surrender our body, mind, soul into the Supreme Consciousness. Next, next I going to give the demonstration. Padahastasana. You know why not? Every disease can cure by the Padahastasana. And blood circulation system, respiratory system, the internal system function properly. This is called Padahastasana. And Padahastasana there is a regular niyam about the breathing system. Every in the posture of the during the practice of Padahastasana, you follow strictly the breathing, inhale and exhale. And if you practice regularly Padahastasana, the blood circulation system, respiratory system, inner metabolic system and inner glandular system properly function. Padahastasana. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. Then go down left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,